If they give you $100, they want to know that they're joining in with other people doing it. So you need to find a way to have social proof. Yes, by giving shout outs. So currently you can, if you mention existing supporters, highlight the contributions of others. Hey, thank you, John, for being one of the top donators of $5,000 this month. That really helps to be able to have, and you're going back to the compelling reasons. That really helps to have enough money to pay the staff to be able to edit and produce the show and get it in front of more people so that we can spread this message. So during the number 3, leveraging, social proof of other listeners who've done this, share testimonials. Share when your listener hears what other listeners are doing, they are more likely to be wanting to do the same thing. Number 4. What's number 4? Make it easy for the listener to freaking support you. If you're going to ask for money, don't make them jump through all of these hoops. Don't make them go here and there and click this and put in this, and don't make it hard. If they're swimming upstream, they're going to get tired. You want to make it as clearly easy as possible if you're asking for money. So you might think, hey, let's use PayPal. Let's use, what's that other one? Can't even think of the name of it. Venmo, Patreon, Supercast. There are places that your listener can go to find you. Make it a place that they're used to going. I use Venmo a lot. Another thing you could use is Zelle. So whatever it is, Patreon, you got to find a platform that it's easy for them. Don't make them swim upstream and get tired. Make it easy for them so that they want to support you. It makes them feel good to support you, etc. And make sure that all of those links are included everywhere. Like they got to be in the show notes. They got to be in your social media. They got to be on your website. Put them in the episode description. So once you have that Patreon link or PayPal or Venmo link, put it everywhere. This is where you go. Go to my website. You'll click the green donate button, and that's another pro. That's another thing for me to share with you. When you tell them, hey, go to the website and support, nobody knows how to do that. That sounds challenging. It sounds difficult. It probably isn't. But to their brain, it's like, yeah, I don't know I'm not about to figure that out. I'm not about to figure all of this out just to give him money, give her money. So make it easy. And here's what I'm trying to say. By telling them that there is a green button in the middle of the page on your website. Now they're like, oh, I just find the green button. I don't know why, but it works. The psychology of go to the website and donate is like, I don't want to figure that shit out. But when it's on the website, you're going to see a green donate button. It's fairly easy. Then they're going to be like, oh, okay, it's easy. I'll do it. But just remember, don't make them swim upstream. Make it easy for the listeners. That was number 4. Number 5 is you want to repeat the call to action. What am I saying? You want to share that with them a few times on the podcast. If you just say it once, they might think that they might want to do it. But if you say it, for example, in the beginning, middle, and end of each episode, and when I say each episode, I mean multiple episodes, eventually they're going to come around and they're going to do it. They might be busy for the first time, the second time, the third time. They might still be busy the 12th time that they get this. But if you stay consistent by putting it at the beginning and end, at least, of every single episode, eventually they're going to come around. Eventually they're going to donate. Not everyone donates immediately. Going back to how I make money through my podcast is that I sell services. We support podcasters by taking off all of the hard stuff for them. We do all of the stuff that makes it hard on them to be able to get their podcast taken care of. They pay a small amount of money every single week. It just automatically comes, and we'll edit 1, 2, 3, 4, or 7 episodes every week for them. That's if they're doing daily episodes, or if it's just weekly, then it's 1 a week. So they'll they'll have that payment. They don't have to keep paying it. It's automatically taken out. And we agree that whenever they send us at least one episode a week, we'll edit it, produce it, publish it, do all the back office, write their show notes, email their guest, create all the promotional materials, put that on social media. So they just do the one freaking easy thing is the thing that they want to do. They record their podcast, and all of the other hard stuff is taken care of automatically for them. That's a big deal. If we can share with them what's going to happen, it's going to be able to help them. So we might have a call to action on multiple episodes.